Plug-in solar kits are safe and are already used by the million. However, there are a few things you should not do when installing your plug-in solar system in order to avoid any risk. Do not overestimate your own capabilities during installation. Instead, install your kit strictly according to the manual. It's an electric device and should be handled with care and deliberation. Do not mount your kit unsafely. You should buy your mounting system from a specialized dealership. If you can't, at least make sure to use sturdy materials and use screws or weights to fix it to the surface so it can withstand the winds and other elements for the many years it will be in use. Do not install a plug-in solar kit if your electrical installation is not up to standard. Feeding in self-produced electricity can put a strain on old wiring, connectors and breakers and even cause damage. If you have any doubts, let an electrician check out your installation to make sure it's suitable. And most importantly, do not believe everything you hear about plug-in solar. Experience has shown that the new paradigm which plug-in solar represents, people providing their own electricity instead of buying it from large corporations, can produce a lot of animosity and unfounded bad-mouthing, even from authorities. Just know this: millions of people are already using plug-in solar without issues, and so can you.